let the head come downward. And then rotate with my thumbs in the back of the head with a slow rotation. This is also on the triple warmer meridian. The triple warmer meridian governs our basic drives, hot, cold, in terms of tolerating hot and cold. Now I want you to know that I'm stroking with my thumbs upward. And after we do the temple rotation, we're going to drop down on one knee, and I'm going to place my thumbs underneath the base of the skull. Here's her skull bone. I'm just underneath that. My fingertips are in the temples right here. And as I bring my chest closer to her back, I'm going to tilt my head to one side. I'm going to tilt her head backward so that I can get underneath the base of the skull. Pressure's going upward and inward into these gates of consciousness points. GB20. Nice deep breaths. Remember, the closer your chest is to the back, it doesn't have to touch, but closer is better. Then you have the leverage to apply the pressure and give some traction upward and allow the neck, the cervical vertebrae to grow. Now notice that my thumbs are just gliding upward.